This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by getting your local project ready and creating the empty remote. First, make sure Git is installed and your user. Name and user. Email are set so commits are attributable. Next, initialize the folder with Git in it, stage files with Git add, and make an initial commit so history exists. Then open GitHub and create a new repository with the exact project name. Avoid initializing on the site if you plan to push your existing repository, because that prevents merge conflicts later. Once the remote exists, link it and push your commits. Use Git remote add origin with the SSH or HTTPS URL shown on GitHub. SSH is faster for repeated pushes but requires keys. Then standardize your branch name with git branch m main and push with git push u origin main to set upstream tracking. After that, use git remote v to confirm the URL and visit the repository page to confirm your files and commit history loaded correctly. This is the core step that generates your shareable project link. Now produce the actual shareable link and finalize visibility. Click the green code button on GitHub to copy the HTTPS or SSH clone URL. That URL is your project link to share. If you want a human-friendly demo, enable GitHub pages or attach a release and add a descriptive README so viewers understand the project. If something goes wrong, check your remote URL with git remote v. Confirm authentication, SSH keys or token, and ensure your branch name matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.